South Pacific to be hosting a World Exchange Congress.
The Governor of the Reserve Bank of Fiji, the Chair of the South Pacific Stock Exchange, the CEO, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, of course our visitors from UK. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me much pleasure to be here this morning. Bula Vinaka, and good morning to all of you. Krishika obviously has said everything that needed to be said, but just to assure you that our government is very much keen to develop the stock market, the capital markets in Fiji. As you know that we have a very small exchange, but we believe there's a lot of potential, and this is why we've provided a number of incentives, tax incentives and various other incentives we put in place to get a number of what we believe are good companies to be listed in the South Pacific Stock Exchange, but indeed more so to make Fiji a center of excellence as far as the capital markets is concerned, as far as the stock market is concerned. There is, of course, a lot of potential in Fiji, and we believe that that potential needs to be fully realized. As far as the Congress itself is concerned, please be assured the government is very much behind the South Pacific Stock Exchange in hosting this. So there's a number of course, government ministries and agencies that will work together with them, including Tourism Fiji, to ensure that the visitors who do come to Fiji have an enjoyable experience. And it gives us, of course, an opportunity to be able to showcase the potential in Fiji itself, not just purely from a stock market perspective or capital market perspective, but also from a tourism perspective. So it gives us much pleasure to be participating with the South Pacific Stock Exchange. I see some of the other shareholders are here. We hope that they also step up to the mark. As you know, the government has been providing much of the impetus as far as the South Pacific Stock Exchange is concerned. I'd like to also take this opportunity to thank the board for this initiative, including the CEO. They've been very active. Of course, the number of cities in the world have hosted this particular Congress, and we hope to be joining them very soon. It is also very, I think, timely, because 2020 is the year that we'll have 50 years of independence. So I think the timing is very good. Next year we are hosting the first ever annual meeting of the Asian Development Bank. They'll be hosted in Fiji for the first time, which will be held in May. We have something like 4,500 people who will be descending on Fiji for 1 week around Nandi area. And of course it gives us an opportunity to be able to host such a large event. We've got the Congress. There's a couple of other international meetings that we hope to be able to secure also in 2021 and 2022. So with those few words, thank you very much for your attendance, and we wish you all the best. Naka.
Person is present to witness the agreement as well.